got some stuff going on. We'll start in here. What is that? Oh my god, Holley Sniper EFI. We're going to fuel inject the car today. Got to remove all of the things that we had off and then put back on last weekend. So all this is coming back out again. Good. Carb's out again. So now I think we're going to install the temperature sensor here and install the sniper here. Removing the fuel pump, that's the old mechanical one, put in a block off plate and then start plumbing this. Temperature sender's installed, studs are in. I'm gonna do the sexy bit now. And plunk that down there and say, oh my god, look how beautiful that looks. Very exciting. Had to notch this, which is the factory throttle plate to clearance the vacuum ports here for the brake booster and stuff. The fuel pump's gone, so we're going electric. Got the fuel lines plumbed in up here. Got the PCV hooked back up. The fuel lines are in. This is the wiring harness for the sniper. Got the brake booster hooked back up. So here's what we've got going on. This is the pre-filter from the tank. That's the fuel pump, obviously, and then we've got a second filter under the hood. Also got to get this O2 sensor installed using this guy. Hopefully this goes pretty smooth. So as it should turn out, the drill's not out here and I don't have the right size bit. So I'm going to go back into town, have something to eat, come back tomorrow with a freshly charged drill, the right size drill bit. It's day 2. Had to get a step drill bit so I could put the O2 sensor bung into the exhaust. Apparently we didn't have a big enough bit, but also didn't have a drill. So drill bit, by the way, these are like 65 bucks. That took entirely too long, but I don't know if you can see down there. Probably not. Can we? No. Well, the O2 sensor is down there. There, made a custom bracket to mount the fuel pump. And everything's in and all the filters are good. And the pump primes and nothing leaks. So that's good. All of the wiring's done. No, it's not great. I'm going to clean that up. It is powered up. Got it idling away. Oh yeah. Nothing to learn. It's only learned 14%. Better take it for a drive.
Power on. Connected.
USB cassette. No big deal. Can't wait to get a copyright hit on this now.